Hello. I don't know if you caught my previous video of how to make a feature wall, but it was based on this pillow here. And I wanted to show you how to take kind of a boring pillow and make it into a bigger presence if you need to. This video is going to show you how to do just an easy embroidery stitch and then how to add some piping. Now this is the original pillow, it wasn't enough, and so it needed some pizzazz. And this came in a kit. You may have seen them. They come in all kinds of different colors, but they're like a comforter in a kit. It's like $100. It's the cheapest darn thing. But it was a good pillow design. It just needed a little bit more oomphy. And so, I'm going to show you here. This is when it's all done, and it takes maybe a couple of days. The embroidery is the longest part, but it was nice and soothing. If you haven't done embroidery before, it's a fun hobby. But the problem is it's not wide enough to get into a loom. You're going to have to add in a little fabric. This is how you add a knot. By not adding a knot, you work your thread in the back of it by turning it a couple of times, and it'll hold. Because who likes to have knotty pillows? A stem stitch, you move forward. All right, so you see I'm holding down the thread. Bring your needle back up to meet that previous stitch. Always do a stitch length, and then you go backtrack and catch up with it. So holding that thread down. Move a little forward, put your needle in. Meet back with the old stitch. All right, we'll see that a couple more times here. We'll sped up here. You can get the rhythm of it. A very relaxing, calming stitch. For the piping, if you see that cording down at the bottom there, piping is easy to make. You just take the fabric, you wrap it around whatever size cording you picked. This one's a little bit on the thicker side, and then put a hem in. And then you attach it to your pillow. You put the piping side towards the center of the middle, and it's on the correct side of the pillow. And if you look on the corners of the piping, they've been cut a little bit so they can make the turn without bunching up. Now to meet up the piping, you cut off your excess, open up both hems on each side so you can then match up the cording so they're flush with each other. And once you do that, then you tuck in one cording into the other and fold in the fabric so it looks like you hemmed it, but you didn't, you just folded it. And then sew it in place. And now you can put your pillow together. Cut off the excess material on the corners so it doesn't bunch up. And then you get to see your work. This is always fun. Like, how did I do? Ooh, pretty. I'm awesome. So anyway, just a quick little video on how to take a kind of a boring humdrum pillow and make it into something a lot more important. Because heck, base the whole wall off of this one pillow. Anyway, take care everybody. Bye-bye.